Are you struggling to find the perfect keywords for your content? Well, let's see how ChatGPT can make your life far easier. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to find high-ranking keywords that boost your SEO performance. So are keywords important? Of course they are. I'm fairly sure we all know this. They improve your search engine rankings, they reach your target audience, and they enhance your content strategy. So where do we start with keywords? Personally, I like to start with, when I've got a website going, I probably have, when I first started, 3 to 4 main categories that I'm working on. So for example, here, I have a website about organic gardening. That is spelled incorrectly, but Chad will clean that up. Can you please come up with 3 main categories I should use in my blog website? So this is going to give us a few categories that should be covered. This probably is a video on its own, but I didn't quite have myself prepared. So now we've got organic gardening basics, seasonal gardening tips, and growing your own food. So from here, we will take organic gardening basics. I want to create SEO. I always like to do this because the more I say SEO optimized to go, so say I was just working in one chat here talking about creating a blog post. If I say SEO optimized enough, it's going to get into ChatGPT's head more and more and more. And the final product, I feel, is better than if you don't really mention it until the last minute. Because this way, every time it does an output, it's SEO optimized. Then the next output, it's SEO optimized, if you understand what I mean. So I want to create SEO optimized content about organic gardening basics. Can you please come up with, how many keywords do we want? 10 top keywords. And I'll show you something else we can do once these are done. Pro tip to enhance, use long tail. Correct. Using long tail keywords definitely will help to niche down a little bit. So you're ranking for a tighter keyword. Therefore, you are going to rank better than just what's best tools for organic. Did it give us one here? Tools? No, but say here one of the keywords here was tools for gardening. Best tools for organic vegetable gardening is going to be something people might search for. So you're going to rank for that. Whereas if you just had best tools for organic gardening, you won't rank for that. So long tail keywords are very important. But now with the new search feature, what you can do is go, can you please search the internet organic gardening and come up with 10 of the best keywords to use to help me rank my website. These keywords are popular among users searching for information and farming, incorporating them naturally. Oh, it's got actually a whole thing about it already. So now we've got a list of 10 main keywords. We can say, well, turn search off. For each of these keywords, can you come up with 2 long-tailed keywords? So again, you're taking a keyword that everybody's ranking for, and you are going to break it down into 2 long-tail keywords. So for example, organic gardening. I won't go into searching for how hard that will be to rank for, but I guarantee very hard. How to start an organic gardening setup at home? Probably a lot easier because that's something people are searching as a whole query. Like if I was to be looking up organic tomatoes, I would say how to grow organic tomatoes. I wouldn't be sitting there typing in the direct keyword organic tomatoes. So the longer your keyword is, not necessarily the longer it is, but using long-tailed keywords are very, very important. And that, honestly, in my opinion, is the best way for any new website or even old website. But if you're a new blogging site, the best way to start ranking is by really hitting and targeting these long-form keywords. So there you have it. I hope I've helped you out a little bit here and showed you how easy it is to go from, where are we at the top, to go from your basic idea of organic gardening, getting your categories. So categories are very important again. So for each of these categories, you want 20, 30, 40, 50 posts. You then go to chat again and ask for the top 10 keywords. Eventually you'd do 20, then 30, obviously. And you would just create all this content with these keywords by converting it into long tail keywords. So you would end up with 30 long tail keywords, posts related to the long tail keyword for each category. And that, in my opinion, is the best way to rank a website in 2024, coming into 2025. It's what definitely does work. All right, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like and subscribe. If you want any more information, I've got a playlist on the channel all about ranking on SEO, blog posts, things like that. Go check it out. Thank you and have a good one.